Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I have some news that some of you have been waiting for a very long time. It's something we've been working on for 3 years, believe it or not, and that is Divi Events Calendar is now fully compatible with Divi 5. Now, many of you have been beta testing this for the last 6 months or so, and it has been fully compatible, but when we say fully compatible now, it just means now it's officially released and the migration support is also included. Now, the migration support is what takes us most of the time. That's the most complex part of building rebuilding one of our plugins for Divi 5 because you're taking it, the code structure from Divi 4 and converting it into the code structure for Divi 5. That is complex. And so that's why, um, honestly, I'm a little nervous because now it's been fully tested, it's fully reviewed. Elegant Themes has spent, I think, like 6 weeks back and forth reviewing and approving this plugin. It was our biggest plugin update ever, and so definitely go into this testing it like a major update, like you would with a major theme update, a major WordPress update. And that usually involves making a backup or using a staging site is definitely the best way to go. Take a staging site in your host and just do the migration. In fact, you can use our new Divi migration helper. It's a free plugin that we just released. Go ahead and try that. It'll help you along with the process. It's not specific to this plugin or anything like that. It's just helps you with the migration process in general. But part of that is making sure that you're using a staging site. And I recommend that for any of the big plugin updates like this, because there's a lot going on. When you do that migration, when you run the Divi migrator, that's when our plugin or any other plugin is also running its migration. Okay. And so it's complex. Now, it's been done smoothly many times on big sites. In fact, we've done very big sites. We've done lots of testing, and Elegant Themes has a whole team that actually does QA testing. When we submit any update like this to their marketplace, they actually have a whole team um, that specifically checks like in detail. Sometimes they give us feedback and it's like that tiny little thing like you noticed and like it's crazy. But good. It's all a good thing. So now I feel confident, but yet this is our biggest plugin. This is our most popular product. This is used by literally several 100,000 websites. Actually, yeah, I have to double check that, but it's at least that many. I haven't checked lately. It's one of the most used plugins. And so that makes me that gives me like a pause, like, okay, what if there's like this random issue on one of these like random scenarios and then someone gives a bad review? That's like a small business worst nightmare, like some random issue and then um, some unhappy person comes along. I hope that does not happen. And I kid you not, I checked right before starting this video. We've been working on this for 3 years. So if you think of it from my perspective, I'm not gonna cry or anything here, but for 3 years, I've lost money. Um, like if you really think about it that way, like I spent all our money working on migrating all 12 of our plugins to Divi 5, and during that time period, I made no money. So it's this huge relief in some ways. It's like, oh, well, maybe like now we can like stop spending development costs and move forward. And at the same time, it's like, well, I really want to add more features now as well. So you can go ahead and, of course, try it out. This is just me rambling, letting you know that it's available, of course. Go ahead, check it out. I don't really, you know how Divi 5 works. I guess I don't really need to show you. So here I am in a theme builder template. You can see the module. Of course, here's the Divi 5 interface. Everything would be the same. All the settings are the same as before. We didn't like change anything because we're focused on migrating and updating. So it's not like you're going to see stuff moved or anything like that. It's going to work exactly like it did before. Everything in the same spot. Everything does what it did before. It should. And then obviously from here on out, any new features that we'll add it to Divi 5, and we'll be improving everything. And, of course, adding feature requests. And we have a lot, of course, that have built up over time. We'll have to analyze here where we're going with all this and what's priority. I know we have quite a lot of things that you want, but really, it truly does help to hear feature requests because it helps us know where we should be prioritizing that development. Um, you know, we have ideas of how we think the plugin should go and how it would benefit the most people. But sometimes, like they say, the squeaky wheel gets the grease or whatever. Sometimes just asking is like, okay, we'll work on that feature or we'll work on that more because it's getting more attention or something like that. So it's always a little bit of a toss up, but it's it's honestly just a mindset change for me now. Like, wow, we haven't been able to work on new features and now we can. So I'm not going to promise what those things are at this point, but you can know that we're always going to be continuing development as we have since 2019. So, well, anyway, I'm not going to show you everything. You already know how to use the plugin. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, so just go ahead and dive into a staging site, play around. And if you do find bugs, go to our support forum and just let us know. Uh, you know, there's there's millions of scenarios out there, and very likely there will be some bugs. So just let us know, and we'll definitely take care of that for you as soon as we can. So thank you. I hope you enjoy this update. Hope you appreciate it. And if you do, go over and leave us a review over on our product page. That would be really, really awesome. Honestly, that's the best way to support small businesses, and so I would really appreciate that. So, thank you. I hope you have a nice rest of your week.